everybody, hi, how are you? This is Marina Storm from Storm Knitting Art, and today I am going to do an unboxing with you. I received a huge pack of yarn with many small boxes of yarn, and I have been waiting for the right moment to open them with you. They are from the company DHG, and I am going to work with them at a very important event very soon, like in 2 weeks. And they send me some samples of all the yarn that they sell in order to find me to get to know them and to be ready. Of course, it's very important. I don't have all the colors, but still I have all the qualities, and as I'm going to open them anyway, I thought that maybe I show them to you so you get to know them as well. The box is huge, and inside there are, as I said, many small boxes. Look how beautiful they packed each of them. They are very cute. So this is like what a colorful word. And I have a small box, a project bag that it's going to be a present during this event. And this is one of the boxes. So I'm going to open, and we're going to sit together. Oh, it's beautiful. I mean, how beautiful they packed it. Let's do this. I don't even know if I have enough space in my new studio to put all this yarn, but I hope that I will find one. So let's start with this first one. DHG Marnie is the yarn. It's very beautiful. It's let me find it. The quality: 65% extra fine merino wool and 35% polyamide. The color is very beautiful. It's very beautiful. Okay, then I have the same in another beautiful color. Look how cute this is. I mean, these together, it's not bad. Very beautiful. We continue. Oh, okay, this is 97% lana and 3% lame, luce. I don't know if, yes, you can see it. Can you see the lame? Beautiful, like a little bit of gold inside. Beautiful. Then I have Puma metallic, also very nice. Very nice. And I have this twice, and I have the same quality also in blue. Wonderful colors, right? Absolutely. And then I have Puma again. Wow, Puma again in color sabia, like a beautiful, wonderful beige. This is 100% lana extra merino fine. It's very soft. And I have this in two other colors, these two. So beautiful. This can be also a very beautiful possibility to work something together. This is the first box. I'm closing and I'm going to the next one. Wait for me. Now the next one I open. It's still so beautiful. Wow. And I have here Ariel. Beautiful. Again, it's like small notes, and you see it's like metallic inside. It's very beautiful. In this color and this beautiful color. I have great light today, so it's very beautiful that I can show them to you. Then I have, oh, this is also fantastic, 75% cotton with 25% netle. This is exquisite. If you touch it, it's like, yeah, like cotton, but not a very soft cotton, still soft, but with texture. And I have it in two different colors. This one, and then I have something very interesting. I don't know if there is some information about it. And I forgot my glasses. Okay, here, it's Barati, and it's 100% cotton. But it's still very beautiful because you see it's like a mix of light beige with dark beige, like with white and beige, very beautiful. And this is box number 2. Pause, and I take the other one. Box number 3. We open. Still beautiful. And I'm sure inside it's also very beautiful. Again, with this beautiful red paper. Oh, nice. Okay, so here we have number 5. This is 55% virgin wool, 25% alpaca, 19 polyamide, and 1% lamem. Nice. And I have this, and I think number 5 is the same. Beautiful. This is very like multicolor. This is Vivienne. It's 52% mohair and 37% cotton and 11% nylon. So I don't think you don't do mohair, you don't do socks with mohair, but still for a shawl, wonderful. And this is also Vivienne. So I have 2 colors. Oh, for a shawl, wonderful. And then the next one is La Gomme, which is 75% recycled wool, 20 polyamide, 10% other fibers. So I have these 2 beautiful colorways, dark and light brown. Beautiful, right? That was box number 3. I have 3 more, so stay with me. And here I am. Oh. I'm not gonna open this one this way. It's easier. Okay. Now we have it. Beautiful colors. So here I have, this is very soft Sierra. Very beautiful. Wait, I have to find the quality. 100%. No, that was not that. Oh, here. 68% baby alpaca, 10% merino, lana merino, and 22% polyamide. Is very soft. It's like a cloud. It's very soft. Then I have Rain or Shine. Wow, what a name. Rain or Shine superwash wool. Beautiful colors. And it's, indeed, it's 100% superwash. Lovely. Then I have Cumbria in 2 different qualities, in 2 different colors. This is 70% alpaca and 30% polyamide. It's not so soft like this one, but still squeezy. Nice. Then I have, I don't know how to pronounce this name, Haich. 50% tencel, lyocell, 30% polyamide, and 20% alpaca. Beautiful combination as well. I mean, beautiful composition, very beautiful composition. And then I have this black with gold, Marilyn. 95% extra fine merino wool and 5% lame. Nice. And that was box number 4. Let's go to number 5. Box number 5 is here. Nice. Okay. Just beautiful. These are, where is information? I think the information from here is missing. I don't see it. No, I don't see it. Okay. Beautiful. It has some flame inside. I can see it. It's like, feels like mohair. It's hairy. Maybe here behind, no. Okay, I have to ask. Fluffy, fluffy, fluffy. Beautiful colors. This is the other way. 75% kid mohair and 25% silk. And all this yarn that you see, it's 100% made in Italy with love. Beautiful colors. And that was box number 5. And let's go to the last one. This is a box with a lot of color. We have pop. Let me show you. Pop is 77 cotton, 23 polyamide, and the colors are run spring. This is absolutely spring. Then I have, oh, these are beautiful. These are beautiful, very beautiful. The label is out. 75% jute, interesting. 17% nylon, 5% cotton, and 3% polyester. And I have these beautiful, they are so sweet. I really would like to try this one and see how it knits up. And then I have this, I mean, it's like a sweet, beautiful. This is, where is it? 52 cotton, 48 polyamide. Nice. Very beautiful. Then I have Stromboli, which is 100% cotton in 2 different colors. Yes. Also lovely. And the last 2 skeins are these 2. Nuvola, the cloud in Italian. And this is 80% cotton and 20% polyamide. I mean, nice. So I have to study and learn all the qualities. I will need some time to do that, and I don't have so much. I have, I think, 2 or 3 weeks until the big event. If you are wondering what I'm wearing, this is my latest design, Irida, and you can find it on Ravelry. This is the fingering version, and there is also a decay version for people that want to knit a little bit faster. I really enjoyed the pattern, and it's very quick and very fun to knit, and also very wonderful idea for very few skeins of yarn. So great idea. If you like it, you know where to find it. I wish you a wonderful month. Today is the 1st of March. I wish you a lovely week starting tomorrow. And yeah, I wish you all the best. Hugs, Marina. Bye.